Hi there, this is Ginés Ibáñez, your IT teacher. Okay, so I'm going to show you this tutorial to help you understand what you have to do with what you are expected to do here with the uh, website created in GitHub. Okay, first of all, I'm already logged in GitHub. I have three repositories here, the ICT2 and this one. So I'm going to click here to see the files I've already created. Okay. So if you need, first of all, if you need to create a new file, you can click here, create new file. Here you have to type the name, for example, test. HTML, for example, and here you can type the code. Okay, sorry, it doesn't matter really. Okay, and so on. Or you can create the code offline here, for example, using Notepad++. This software, this Notepad++, is very advisable because for programming, because for example, some of the advantages are that here you have the number of the lines, and sometimes the program uses colors or underline links, for example, as you can see here. So you can create your code here offline using Notepad++. To download this Notepad++, you can Google it and download the file to install. Okay, so you can create the code here, and after doing that, you can copy your code, copy, and then paste, Control V, okay, to paste all the code you created there in the offline editor. Okay, so this is one of the ways to do it. Okay, after doing that, you can click here, commit new file. So as you can see here, I have the new file, test.htm. This is one of the ways. Another way to do it, you can use Notepad++ or the regular Notepad to create your code, or copy and paste the code you used in Khan Academy. And after doing that, you can save the file, save as. File name, for example, test.htm. Save. Okay. You don't have permission to save in this location. Or problem with permissions. Okay, documents. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the other advantage, as I said you before. Here you can see tags with and properties with different colors. Okay, so this editor Notepad++ recognize that these is a HTML file, so it is using colors to recognize everything. Okay, once you have this test.htm, you can go here, and instead of clicking create new file, you can click upload files. Okay, so now you can drag the files here. Documents, here you have the file. Okay, so drag the file here and click commit changes. Okay, so this is the other way to do it. More things. So this is the way to create new files. More things. You've been told to create links from if you remember, you have to create at least 2 pages with links from one to another, okay, and vice versa. So here, for example, we can see contents. So if you remember from Khan Academy, the way to create links is using a tags. Okay, here, for example, here I'm going to highlight this a tag. Okay, so here I have a paragraph, a p tag. This is the p tag, and so this is the font I'm using, the color, and this is the link with the address of my link. Okay, so remember A and href and the address of the site to the other file, the name of the other file you have in GitHub. Okay, so you have to create for your 2 pages, you have to create one link from the first page to the second one, and in the second page you have to create a link from the second to the first page, okay, using a tags. And finally, you have to insert a Google map and a YouTube video. So here I'm going to show you, for example, here I have this website I created with 2 videos from YouTube inserted. Okay, let's take a look to the code here. My music. Click here. So here I have all the files, music here, my music. So this is the code. Okay, so here we have one of the tags to insert a video from YouTube. We are using an iframe tag, okay? But don't worry, because you have to do nothing but copying the address. For example, here, imagine you want to insert this video, okay? So you can click here
Saludos, colega. Juguemos a un juego. ¿Y si descarga?
And then here click share. No, sorry, not search. I'm looking for the place. Oh, here, yes, it was search. Okay. Insert, and here you have a code including the iframe tag. Okay, so the only thing you have to do is click here. Okay, Control C on your keyboard, or click here, copy, close this, and here in my music you can paste clicking here to edit this file. Okay, so I'm going to paste the code here. Okay, commit changes, and after a while I will see the video here. It takes a while. Okay, it doesn't matter. For Google Maps, it is the same. You can have to, for example, imagine you want to insert this map. You have to click here and then click here, share or insert the map. Come on. Okay, insert the map, insert a map, and here you have the code. So the same. Copy the code and paste the code in your file in GitHub. Okay. For example, I have here another website called My Secondary School, and here you can see a map inserted there. Okay, so what is the code for this? This one. So remember, copy the code and then here here you have to paste the code of your map to be inserted. in your website. Okay, so this is everything I have to tell you. That's all. So if you have any further question, please let me know so I can help you. Okay? Okay, see ya.